Hey guys, hope everybody's having a fantastic day. Whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening, I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to do a little unboxing from White Mountain Knives. I would ask please, if you would, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification icon. It'll help me out greatly. The unboxing knife or the unbagging will be the EMP EDC Relative. This is going to be a box inside of a bag. So we will do that. And do that. 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 Hmm. All right. No packing peanuts. So what we have here, guys, is a Bestech. When I saw it at Blade Show, I thought it was a Beyond EDC. I was confused. All right. Troll candy. Bestech, simply the best. I thought this was a very cool knife. I thought it was very well done. Stay sharp sticker, more troll candy, little folder, and a little cleaning cloth. Nice little double-sided knife carrier there, and the nav. So guys, this is the Bestech Sin. I thought it was a Beyond EDC set at one point, and I think it somehow was. But I saw this over at Blade Show, and a buddy of mine picked one of these up, and I was amazed by the detent. I was amazed by the way it was put together. He got a Micarta too. It is smooth. It's really nice detent. Nice deep hollow grind of Elmax. It's got this interesting double poon, triple poon, if you will. And I think that's stylistic as much as anything. But it's got a really nice pocket clip, goes in and out of pocket easily. I know this because I carried his. But it is a full-size knife, I would say, medium full-size knife. It is titanium, micarta. I think you can get it in titanium and carbon fiber too at White Mountain Knives and other places. I'll leave the link where I got it, which is at White Mountain Knives. And you can use the Javon 10 code if you get one and save 10%. But I love the blade grind, that satin grind on the blade, kind of more of a light stone washed on the rest of the blade. Nice tumbled titanium bolsters. Bestech logo there in the center, but nothing on the blade at all, except for here where the your finger would rest. You've got Elmax there. Fits my hand great. Has a really nice choke up spot. And guys, I don't feel that you need the choil because you've got these spoons to really lock your finger in, your grip in, depending on what type of cut you're doing. I look forward to reviewing this knife. I look forward to owning this knife, having it in the collection. I look forward to cutting with it. As a matter of fact, let's just make sure it's sharp. Guys, that wicked hollow grind is slicey. Very slicey. But yeah, guys, no side to side, no up and down. Again, just super detent, flies out of there. Finger holes, really good. It's kind of a trapezoid or parallelogram, whatever you call that, where you've got two sides that are the same. But it's thin enough to where you can get your finger anywhere in it if you're a finger flipper. I can try to thumb flick it, even though I hate thumb flicking. Thumb flick's great. If you're a thumb flicker, it will work wonderfully. I like the look of it. Some people might be turned off by the look of it. I thought the look of it was really cool. I like the micarta. The micarta will really patina over time. My hands are pretty sweaty, so I will get some patina on that in no time. May even put a little wicked wax on it if it goes slow. But anyway, guys, that is the Bestech Sin. And I think it is an absolutely unique, cool knife, something that I've been interested in since I first saw it. Then I bumped into it at the Bestech booth at Blade Show, and I was surprised that it was at the Bestech booth. But yeah, it's the Bestech Sin, SYN, guys. Fantastic knife. I look forward to bringing it to you guys. Thank you for watching the unboxing. Thank you anytime you stop by my channel. Thank you if you've taken the time to subscribe. Feel free to like, dislike, leave a comment. Please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Look out for the guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.